Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Android Family Link for parental controls step by step clearly. Open the Family Link app on your device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Google Play Store. Tap on Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a family group. Select Add an account for your child. You can either create a new Google account for your child or link an existing one. If creating a new account, enter your child's name and birthdate. Review and accept the terms of service. Set up a password for your child's account. Choose whether to set up location tracking. If you want to enable location tracking, follow the prompts to grant permissions. Once the account is created, you'll return to the Family Link homepage. Tap on your child's account to access settings. Navigate to Manage Settings. Here, you can adjust app activity, screen time limits, and parental approvals. To set app approvals, select Apps. Choose App Activity to view which apps your child is using. You can approve or block apps from this menu. To set screen time limits, go back to Manage Settings. Select Screen Time to set daily time limits for device use. You can also set a bedtime to restrict usage during certain hours. Explore other settings like bedtime reminders and device lock. Regularly check in with your child about their app usage and device rules. Ensure you update settings as your child grows and their needs change. Periodically review the Family Link app for any new features or updates. Encourage a conversation about responsible technology use with your child. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.